Hi guys. Hi guys. Daddy, can you hold my baby?
Can I help you build this?
Hi guys, so we're opening this living room, whatever this is. Let's just open it.
Okay, you read it kasi. It's a accessory. Sa living room accessory.
It's a living room accessory. So we're gonna open it. Always gotta be mine.
Kasi yung sinundan niya, mas malaki pa sa kanya. Babae din. Hanggang doon lang sa bunga. So, tuloy-tuloy yun. Feeling ko kung ako ngayon makinig doon, malulula na ako.
Nahilo nga daw.
Pagdating niya doon sa bandang nakita niyo tsura niya. Sabi ko, go pa siya. Sabi niya,
Mommy, let's...
tapos nagulat ako nung tumalon siya. Kita mo yung tumalon. Brave nga eh.
Kind of scared, Daddy.
It's not out.
It's scary.
So cute.
Yan no, it's scary.
It's scary. It's so cute. We're gonna open this up right now.
Right now. Want the pink one, huh?
I don't have long nails. My mom has. She never cuts her nails.
Here.
I don't have a long nail.
Mommy.
It's so hard to get the tape without long nails. What are you doing? Mommy!
Oh, asan na yung Play-Doh niya?
Okay. Yes!
Hey,
Science says don't fall.
wow. Hindi ka makakapuli. The sign says don't fall it eh. Then you fall it naman.
Fine. I did the house. What happened?
Don't put it anywhere dyan ah. Tomorrow you cannot see it you cannot find it yan.
Oh!
Oh, ayaw mo lagyan naman.
Just went out.
Salang kami niya.
Wow! My house! I'm building a house for police. Ah, you nasty!
Ito, hindi ko nilalaro niya lang yung
Yes, girl. Okay. But nasty. Did you say to mommy? I say but nasty. Say that one more time. I will throw you across the room.
Don't make it as a ball.
Nasty mom. Actually, I gotta remove all these stuff. That was easy. That was easy. It's kind of very comfortable. ASMR.
Daddy, pakiano nga mo.
It's kind of worth it. This is no house. This is the puppy's house. Puppy, this is your house. He's hiding.
Okay.
Hey, where are you? It's so fluffy and adorable. It's so fluffy.
So fluffy.
Oh no. I got rid of the white stuff. It's so cute, kitty. So cute. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Here's the mug. Here's the orange glasses. And here's the table. What happened to the table? And here's... Come on, helmet, get out! The kid is too small. So we gotta put it here. Bye-bye.